Hey, this is Steve with Dabble Lab. In this video, I'm going to do a demo of a fun skill that was created using tutorials from Dabble Lab and templates from skilltemplates.com. It is a skill called Dear Santa that lets kids ask Santa for the things that they'd like for Christmas and tell Santa whether they've been nice or naughty and some other fun things. One of the real cool features that I like is it will email the kids' Christmas wish list to their parents, to Santa, of course, also. And the skill was created by Button Push Apps, and I talked to Nick Saka, who is the skill creator there, and he told me he used a combination of skill templates and tutorials. And so after I do the demo, I'll tell you about which tutorials and templates were used to create it. So let's check it out. And I'm going to do I'm just using the Alexa companion app, so that way you can see the whole process, because there's a couple of pieces to it. So first, you want to enable the skill, and you can just search for Dear Santa. This, and then it's this skill here, the Dear Santa skill, and the one from Button Push Apps, not Push Button Apps, but Button Push Apps, and then enable it. And this is asking for customer profile permissions for the email address, and you can get that from the customer profile or customer settings API template, skill template. And then we're all set here, so let's give it a try. Alexa, open Dear Santa.
Hello, children. It's me, Santa. You can add a gift to your wish list. Just say, please bring me, and the item that you would like. Tell me if you are naughty or nice. Which of these options would you like?
Please bring me a new surfboard.
Your gift request has been sent to my workshop to be added to your wish list.
And the gift request gets emailed to the parents, which is pretty cool.
Come back and visit
so
me
that
tomorrow.
is the quick demo. There's actually three
Eve.
different skill templates that were used to put this together. One was the customer profile starter template from skilltemplates.com, and then also the API template for calling the API that's used to send the email. And the final one that it used was the basic starter template, and then also the tutorial on SSML for playing the audio files, the Santa files. So pretty cool skill. I just wanted to put that out there because I think Nick did an awesome job creating it. If you have built a skill using skill templates, we'd love to know about it. So please leave a comment, tell us about the skill, and maybe we can feature it here on the Dabble Lab channel. Lastly, please support independent skill builders like Nick by leaving 5-star reviews for skills that you like. The reviews are a really good way to get their skill more visibility, and they're very motivational for people that are working on those skills. So hopefully you like this one. Thanks so much. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave those. I will leave a link to this skill along with links to some other skills that Button Push Apps created. And let me know if you have a skill that you've created with skilltemplates.com that you'd like to feature here. Thanks so much.